is the video for the country kitchen rooster arrangement. So excited to do this one. I want to show you what we're using in here. Check out the cute container that's coming in the kit. Isn't that precious? I love that. And it's a good size. It's not too big. It's kind of gonna fit every size kitchen. I like this design, and the whole design on the container gave us the idea for the final design. We want it to be kind of moody feeling and a piece that's going to go in your kitchen going into the fall, but we feel like it can take you throughout the year. And if you don't want to switch it over for every holiday, I think this is going to be a great one to do. This particular centerpiece is going to be great for a beginner too, because it's not a lot of supplies. You're going to get everything you need in the kit. It's going to make it super easy for you to begin with. So we've got the container, and look how cute. I just love that one. I love it. Isn't that great? Now, the other things that are coming in here is our greenery. This greenery I picked particularly because it can be pushed down. It can be brought smaller and made it more like chunky, which works great to fill in on your design. I love that. And I'm a stickler, not a stickler, I just get excited about things that have dimension. And these have these little bitty speckles on them. And those colors give it all this great depth. I just totally love that. So that's the greenery. And then this one here is our main focal piece. And that is a sunflower spray. And these are bright, beautiful red. They are kind of that barn rustic red, like a tractor, a barn red. And the reason we picked that out is because literally it pulls out the red in here. All right. So this one can go in your home all year long, depending on your decor. But I'm really thinking this is cute for a kitchen. Kind of gives you that Italian rustic feel. I think it's fun. All right, so we're going to show you how to make this. So when you get your kit, you're going to get all the components. The only thing you're going to need is to get some floral foam. You can pick that up, whatever craft store you want to use. Even the dollar store has floral foam, and I like to use this green kind. It's crunchy. It's not sandy. It's not made to use with water. It's just hard. So that's something you're going to have to pick up on your own. I like to put that permanently in my container. If you want to make this more of a piece that you could use the container for something else later, you don't have to. Just set it up and make it, and then you can pull that part out later if you want to. So I'm going to glue it in. That's optional for you. We're going to do that now. I get out the big kahuna here. Get out the big kahuna. All right, let me cut a couple pieces to go in here. Just kind of measure it out a little bit. So, how's your week been going? Are you having a great week? Getting going. Depending when you see this, depends how far you're into the week yet. But we have been doing all the things over here, running around as a family. It seems like when the week starts off, you've got, all these great plans, these great, like the great plans of the best laid plans. Isn't that the saying? And then other stuff starts to come up. Like so far, um, the car had a problem where I went to put it into gear and shift it backward, but our driveway's on an angle, and it made the selector just slip through the gears. So it wasn't a big fix. I was able to call AAA, and they came out and totally just got underneath it, put the little, basically it's like putting a wire thing over, I'm a girl, I don't know all this car stuff, but they put it back on, and we were able to drive it to the mechanic, and he just was able to put a new coupling on the end. So it was no big deal. But you know how that starts off your week. Can you relate? It's really not that big of a deal in the grand scheme of things, but when you're trying to plan, what the heck's going on? Okay, let me show you how I put that in. I kept it really simple. We just put a small piece, a big piece. You don't have to fill it all the way up really tight with foam. I'm gluing it in. Remember, if you want to do it where it just pushes in here and not glue it, if you get it a little tighter, it will sit better for you. So keep that in mind as an option. But Also, keep it a little below the top. If you come way out here to the very top with foam, then I've got to hide all that. So I recess it down. There is actually like a little line in here. I recess it down right below that, and that's going to just work perfect to put our design in. So let's get going. We got to get chopping. Chopping, chopping, chopping. Let me put my big sledge away. Okay, and on our chopping, I told you earlier, this I love because we can bush it up. Y'all, and we are going to have the kit for this available. We will tell you what number this is. We do assign all of our products that are kits a number on our website. You can search that on the social media, but you can also go right to Cleese and search it up there, and it'll take you exactly to that kit. So you just check here on the screen or in the description. It'll tell you the kit number, and you can search it up. That helps you get there really smoothly and easily. We've been doing this so long, everything kind of has similar names. So we're like, we got to come up with a better system that people can find the most current tutorial they're looking for. So we're going to do now. I'm just going to chop these off. I don't need them long. This is like a filler. So I'm going to cut these all to about 1 inch on this whole bush. So you can sing your favorite song while you're doing this. I don't know what that is right now. Oh gosh, I get songs stuck in my head from TikTok. So if you have one stuck in your head, put it in the comments. It could change at any moment. It could be even an old one. I don't know if you did the Puerto Rico song. Oh my gosh, that just never goes away. I don't think it's as popular anymore, but that one cracked me up. All right, when you got it looking naked, you're done. All done. Okay, now let's start to get our container back right here. Now, I'm going to put a few of these kind of around the edge. We'll call that around the perimeter. In design school, I really talk about like setting up the perimeter primarily when you get started. In this particular design, it's not a huge deal because we're just kind of going all the way around in a circle. But bring your stems from the center out, kind of like it's going to make a starburst. And you're going to see this as I start to build it out. Remember, this project is not meant to be bold. It's cute. It's got a pop of color. But we're not trying to be like a showstopper with this piece. We want it to be something we made on our own, we're proud of, we love, but we want it to accentuate other things we have in our home. So sometimes, because I am always wanting to challenge myself and make something different or more high level, because I feel like, oh yeah, we've done that, let's try something new. It feels good to just go back to the basics sometimes and make a piece like this. Oh, my KDS students will also tell you, I'm constantly saying shake hands with everything. And basically what that means is utilize the great wires we got in here and start to really fill it up. Look how cute. And shake hands with it. Isn't that great? So we're spreading them out. I'm kind of pushing them over the edge a little. We're going to do that all the way around. I need to save a couple of pieces to go around the center. So save 2 for sure. I'm going to try to make it all the way around. You see how cute this is? So when we pick out a kit for you, that helps you kind of have this great combo of everything going together without a bunch of fuss, or it just makes it easy. You click once, you order it, you purchase it, you get it, and then you make it. And literally all you needed was floral foam and hot glue. Okay, look. Now, if you wanted to make this like to go all year long, you could put a cute little rooster right inside here, all right, and just put a little greenery. You could do that too. All right, I got you thinking of all kinds of different ideas. Okay, now the main flower that comes in this, let's just put the centerpiece off for a side for a second. I like this because it's already broken up into sections for me, and plus it's this great red color. So you can see I'm gonna spread it out like this. And listen, if stuff is already wired really good for you and it's sectioned up into clusters, do yourself a favor and use it how it is instead of having to repick and re-put wood picks or metal picks in a metal pick machine. You don't have to do all that. So I'm just tear these off, and we're going to use them in their little section. So there comes 1, 2. Now 3, I'm going to cut this all together because it's kind of one section. So we'll just cut that together. And we're going to use this piece right, where's my trash? I lost it. Right in the center of our design. So being that this is the center, we want to make sure this arrangement will look cute all the way around. I love making these simple ones, guys. Oh, I just pulled that out of there. That's okay. I'll use that separate. All right, I really like that one sunflower is lower, one's higher. Love that. We've got these fun little billy ball type pieces at the top. Allie, look at this little bitty, it's like a millet coming out of there. That's perfect. This is going to go right in the center. Remember, this is simple. This is fun. And if you're not getting this kit today, I still love you. Please come and watch and enjoy. But this is a very simple design I know you can do, and take inspiration from it to do your next piece for yourself. I still love you. Even if you're not buying from me, I still want you to come and learn and appreciate all these fun projects we make. And please treat yourself to something for yourself that you want to make. If you make and sell, you kind of get hung up in that pattern of making and selling. And I want you to make something for you and allow yourself to have a pretty space too. That took me a long time to learn, so I want you to learn it right off the bat. Okay, now remember earlier I said we are coming from the center and we're bringing that greenery out. So the center is this sunflower stem, and we just brought these 2 little sprays that have just a little bit of the grass and the berry. We have those beside it. All right, let me throw these papers out. We've got very little waste on this. Now we had that leaf that I accidentally yanked out of there. We're just going to put that coming from the middle too, right here. That looks so cute. She's looking good. Okay, now with the greenery. Well, I hope this cheers you up if you've had a rough week with your car also just falling apart. But maybe you'll find out it's just a simple fix, and it's not a big deal. And really stop for a second, take a moment, make something pretty like this for you. With that greenery, I just went in right between the floral stems and I just filled it all right up there in the middle. Just make something sweet just like this for you. Wasn't that easy? It was quick. It was fun. This sweet little kit is ready for you on the website. Just put the kit number here in the comments, and then we'll send you the link, or head over to Keleas.com and you can search it up and find it for yourself. I loved making this with you, and I will see you next time.